Google has been working on additional features to its clock application recently, with a new update bringing the app up to version 7.3. In this update, there has been a big new feature added that allows you to use the microphone to record an audio clip that can then be used as a sound for an alarm of your choice. This is an interesting new feature for Google to add, as it has been something that we've seen in other alarm applications available for Android. This, along with the other new features that have been added to the Google Clock application recently, show the company is trying to reach feature parity with competing apps in the space. So to set this up, we need to go into the Google Clock application. Make sure you're on the Alarm tab. And then we're going to either create a new alarm or select a previous alarm that has already been set up. From here, we're going to tap the bell icon right here, which is for the audio clip that you currently have set for the alarm. If this is an alarm that you have already set up, then you will see the clip displayed that you chose whenever you first created it. However, if this is a new alarm that you're setting up, then you're going to see the default option displayed here. Either way, we just need to tap on this bell icon so that we can then set up the audio that will be played when this alarm goes off. As long as you have updated the Google Clock application to version 7.3 or later, then you should see the Record New option right here in the list. Now, Google may choose to update the application in the future and move this feature around, but there's a good chance that the company will leave the feature in place, as it helps to compete with the other alarm applications available for Android in the Google Play Store. So to record a new audio clip for your alarm, we're just going to need to tap the Record New option right here. And we should then get taken to the Google Recorder application on your device. If this is your first time opening up the Recorder app, then you'll probably be greeted with an intro screen that talks about a few of the app's latest features. Once you see this screen, we just have to tap on the big red button down here at the bottom of the screen to begin recording the new audio clip that we want to use for our alarm. Once you're finished recording the audio clip, tap the pause button right there, and then tap the save button right next to the record button. That's going to take you back to the alarm sound page of the Google Clock app and begin giving you a preview of the newly recorded audio clip. With our new clip assigned to the alarm that we have in the app, we can simply tap the back button right there to go back to the screen we were previously at and finish setting up this alarm. While this update brings a seemingly small new feature to the Google Clock application, it is one that many have been requesting the company add for quite a while now. Along with the previous app update that allows you to pause a repeated alarm, it's starting to become quite competitive when compared to some of the other popular alarm applications for Android.